Imagine a world where the sky is no longer just an expanse of blue, but a limitless portal to the stars. A world where humanity has not only explored space but has unlocked the deepest secrets of the universe and tapped into boundless cosmic energy to fuel its civilization. This is not some distant, unreachable fantasy, but a future that, while far off, might one day become a reality beyond our wildest dreams. In this future, you wake up in the comfort of your anti-gravity bed, gently hovering above the floor. The quiet hum of advanced technology lulls you into a peaceful morning. As you glance out the window, the sight of skyscrapers reaching into the clouds greets you, with sleek flying vehicles zooming between them like bees in a futuristic hive. A robotic assistant welcomes you with a perfectly brewed cup of tea, tailored to your exact preferences. As you sip your tea and scroll through the day's news on your augmented reality display, you learn of yet another milestone in humanity's journey. A new civilization in the galaxy has been discovered, harnessing the energy of multiple stars. This is the future we are on the cusp of, where technological marvels are part of everyday life, and space is no longer the final frontier but a vast playground for human exploration. If you find this vision of the future fascinating, don't forget to subscribe to Space Exploring, your go-to source for insights into the future of humanity, space travel, and the evolution of civilizations. Let's embark on this journey together. The story of advanced civilizations doesn't start today, though. In fact, the framework for understanding such possibilities began in 1964 when Soviet scientist Nikolai Kardashev introduced a revolutionary idea, a classification system for civilizations based on their ability to harness energy. This system, known as the Kardashev scale, categorizes civilizations into types based on how much energy they can utilize. Type 1 civilizations can control the entire energy output of their home planet, while Type 3 civilizations, the highest in Kardashev's original scale, can wield the energy of an entire galaxy. Humanity today finds itself at the very bottom of this scale, hovering at around 0.73 on the Kardashev scale. While our technological advancements are impressive, we have only scratched the surface of what's possible. To become a Type 1 civilization, we would need to harness and control all the energy that Earth can provide, from renewable resources to nuclear fusion. According to physicist Michio Kaku, with a 3% increase in energy consumption each year, we could potentially reach Type 1 status within the next 100 to 200 years. Once we master this monumental leap, the possibilities explode. Imagine a world where we control the weather, manipulate the climate, and extract energy from sources like volcanoes and ocean currents. This kind of power would allow us to engineer cities in the ocean and build sustainable habitats on multiple planets in our solar system. A unified global society would emerge, spanning not just Earth but other planets and moons, engaging in interplanetary trade, scientific collaboration, and exploration. However, we would still be vulnerable to extinction threats, whether from natural disasters or cosmic events. The next step up, a Type 2 civilization, is where the idea of harnessing a star's entire energy comes into play. This civilization would have the ability to build a Dyson sphere, a theoretical megastructure designed to enclose a star and capture its energy. Freeman Dyson, the physicist behind the idea, imagined this as a way for a species to access nearly unlimited energy. If such a structure were possible, it would grant a civilization the power to explore and colonize entire star systems. Astronomers have already speculated that something akin to a Dyson sphere might exist. Take Tabby's star, for instance, located about 1,470 light-years away. Discovered by the Kepler Space Telescope in 2015, its mysterious and erratic dimming led some to suggest that perhaps we were witnessing an advanced civilization building a Dyson sphere. Though natural explanations like swarms of comets have been proposed, the mere possibility of such advanced technology capturing the energy of a star ignites our imagination. And what about civilizations even more advanced than this? A Type 3 civilization, for example, wouldn't just harness one star, it would have the technological ability to control the energy of an entire galaxy. Imagine a civilization capable of dismantling stars and reorganizing entire solar systems. The idea boggles the mind. Such a society could manipulate the very fabric of space-time, travel faster than light, and potentially control black holes. It would have capabilities that, to us, seem godlike. Astronomers estimate that such civilizations are incredibly rare, but if they exist, they would view galaxies as we do cities, simply places to inhabit and manipulate. But can a civilization go even further? Some scientists have extended Kardashev's scale beyond Type 3, imagining civilizations of even more staggering power. A Type 4 civilization would have mastery over not just galaxies but entire universes, potentially tapping into the energy of black holes, manipulating space-time at will, and perhaps even creating new universes. This is where the boundaries of science and philosophy blur, as these civilizations would be so far advanced that they might remain completely invisible to us, leaving no trace of their existence. These visions of the future aren't just flights of fancy. They challenge us to think about what's possible, about humanity's place in the cosmos, and what our future could hold. Will we one day command the power of stars and galaxies? Or will we remain earthbound, never unlocking the true potential of our species? The answers lie in our future, but one thing is clear: our journey has just begun. The path to becoming a spacefaring, star-harnessing civilization is long, but it starts with our curiosity and drive to explore. Keep dreaming, keep exploring, and stay tuned to Space Exploring for more insights into this exciting journey. The universe is vast, and we're just getting started. Imagine the mind-boggling possibilities of civilizations that go far beyond what we can currently conceive, civilizations that surpass even the lofty ambitions of a Type 3 society. The sheer vastness of the universe itself gives us a glimpse of what might be achievable for a Type 4 civilization. With billions of galaxies at their disposal, such a society could potentially harness the energy of each galaxy, manipulating it for their needs. Imagine being able to control and rearrange entire galaxies like building blocks, creating new star systems, or even eliminating what is no longer necessary. The power to shape the cosmos would be in their hands. But to attain this level of influence, they would need to unlock entirely new laws of physics, principles that are currently beyond human understanding. Yet the possibility of such an advanced civilization illustrates the staggering potential of the universe and the limitless mysteries waiting to be explored. Curious about the future of humanity and the endless realms of space? If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Space Exploring to stay up to date on the latest discoveries and imaginative possibilities in the ever-expanding universe. But what if we push beyond even a Type 4 civilization? Enter the idea of a multiverse, a concept that has intrigued scientists and philosophers for centuries. Now, imagine a civilization not only aware of the multiverse's existence but able to harness the energy of multiple universes. A Type 5 civilization would have mastery over the energy of infinite universes, transferring power between them at will. For such a civilization, teleportation and time travel would be routine, and dimensions beyond our understanding would be entirely under their control. And yet, the possibilities grow even more staggering. A Type 6 civilization would exist entirely outside the bounds of space and time, capable of creating or destroying entire universes and multiverses at the blink of an eye. At this stage, they would have dominion over all existence, functioning as gods in every sense of the word. In a distant future, far beyond what we can imagine, humanity may evolve into a Type 7 civilization, the pinnacle of cosmic evolution. With technologies that unlock the deepest secrets of the universe, they would discover the key to immortality. Members of this Omega civilization would use advanced virtual technologies to travel through pocket dimensions, manipulating space-time itself to create entirely new realities. In these dimensions, the laws of physics might bend or shift in ways unimaginable to us today, offering endless possibilities. Each pocket universe would present a new frontier, some filled with strange and vibrant landscapes, while others might resemble barren wastelands. Regardless, in each new reality, there would be something new to learn, another challenge to overcome, and boundless opportunities for discovery. What's truly remarkable about these pocket dimensions is their potential for immortality. The Omega civilization could program every atom of their existence to live indefinitely within these universes. And when one pocket dimension eventually ceased to exist, they would simply transition into another, continuing their existence in an infinite loop. By this point, humanity would have transcended physical limitations and become beings of pure energy, capable of traveling across dimensions at will. With every step into a new universe, they would achieve feats that once seemed impossible. But the journey doesn't stop there. The further back we look into history, the more intriguing our origins become. Have you ever marveled at the pyramids, those ancient wonders that defy explanation? What if there was once an advanced civilization that thrived on Earth millions of years ago, long before our own? Despite countless studies of the Great Pyramid, its construction remains a mystery. How could such a monumental structure, with its precise alignments, have been completed with the limited tools and resources available at the time? The pyramids, along with other megalithic structures like Stonehenge and Machu Picchu, suggest that ancient civilizations might have possessed knowledge far beyond what we attribute to them. Some even speculate that an advanced civilization could have existed on Earth, one capable of harnessing the power of the stars, terraforming planets, and traveling through space at unimaginable speeds. Yet, for all their power, this civilization might have faced a cataclysmic event, perhaps a natural disaster, internal conflict, or even a cosmic upheaval, that forced them to leave Earth in search of a new home among the stars. They may have left behind traces of their existence, hidden in the ruins of ancient cities and structures that still puzzle modern scientists. Despite the mounting evidence of advanced civilizations predating our own, the idea remains controversial. We like to think of ourselves as the pinnacle of progress, but what if we are merely the latest in a long line of civilizations that have risen and fallen throughout the ages? What if our technological advancements are simply building upon the forgotten knowledge of those who came before us? If humanity is to survive and evolve into a Type 1 civilization, mastering the resources of our planet, we must also overcome the dangers that come with such progress. As we deplete Earth's energy reserves, we risk plunging into a crisis, one that could threaten our very existence. And beyond that, a Type 2 civilization, reliant on the energy of its parent star, must plan for the inevitable day when that star fades. For a Type 3 civilization, the death of the galaxy itself becomes a concern. The road to technological advancement is not without peril, but with cooperation, vision, and an understanding of the universe's deeper mysteries, we can overcome these challenges. The future may be uncertain, but our potential is boundless. The cosmos holds infinite possibilities, and with dedication and unity, we can reach heights we never thought possible. Let's continue to explore, dream, and strive for greatness. Thank you for exploring the possibilities of the universe with us today. Stay curious, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.